Puran Poli, personally, is one of my favorite dish. Mostly, it is made during festives for two reasons. One, it is the main menu, and secondly, making Puran Poli traditionally is time consuming and also requires some effort in grinding the lentils in a specific design machine called Puran Poli Yantra, then grating the jaggery or making into pieces, etc. Earlier, I also used to use these specific machines for making Puran Poli until I learnt an easy way of making this lovely and tasty recipe from my cook. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hobby Concepts. This is Raj. It is Holi and nothing can be special like making Puran Poli. Let's get started. When we were in India, we had a cook. What I used to like about her apart from her cooking was she always had a smile on her face. She used to make awesome Puran Poli and in a very effortless way. I learnt this lovely and tasty recipe from my cook Nanda. Thanks Nanda Babi if you're watching this. Wash the lentil and soak it overnight. If not, at least soak it for about 2 to 3 hours. Once again, wash it and add water. And then add half teaspoon of oil to it. This will prevent the lentil from spilling out of the pressure cooker. To it, add a pinch of turmeric. This will give it a very nice color to our Puran Poli. Then add a pinch of salt to it. Salt helps in balancing the sweet. However, adding salt is optional. Now, in a pressure cooker, add water and place a ring. Now, place the pot of lentil and cover the lid of the pressure cooker and place the whistle. Keep the flame to medium heat and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, switch off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make the dough for the poli. Again, it is made in different ways in different states. You can make it with maida, that is all-purpose flour, or wheat flour, or even you can make it mixing both in equal proportion. I'm making it using atta, that is wheat flour. In a bowl, add wheat flour and add water little at a time and make a dough. For the Puran Poli, we require a very soft dough. So you can see it will stick to your palm. Keep applying oil to your hands and keep kneading it. After a few minutes, the dough will become very soft and will no more stick to your palm. Now, apply a little oil all over the dough and cover it. Let it rest for about an hour. Now let's make the puran, which is the filling inside the poli or the chapatis. After the steam goes off, remove the lentil from the pressure cooker and drain all the water from the lentil. I have kept a colander and drained out the water. Let it remain in the colander for a couple of minutes for the water to drain off. Don't throw the water. This water can be used in sambar or rasam or curry, or even simply add little salt and pepper and allow it to come to a boil. You have a very nice lentil soup ready. In Maharashtra, they use this water specifically for making an accompaniment for this Puran Poli known as kat or Katachi Amti. We'll make that too on some other day. Now, in a pan, add the lentil and mash it well. This does not require any effort as the lentil has got cooked very well. Now to it, add jaggery powder. If you do not get jaggery powder, you can break jaggery into pieces and add it. I should have taken a big pan. You can see in few minutes the jaggery melts and the lentil or the dal mixture becomes thin. Now keep stirring it continuously till the mixture gets cooked and thickens. It nearly takes about 12 to 15 minutes to get to the right consistency. Now be very careful as the mixture boils. You can cover the pan with a lid while stirring it. Best option is to take a big pan. Now add cardamom powder and keep stirring. Now you can see the mixture started thickening. This is the right consistency as this will get thicker once it cools. Transfer it to a plate, no need of greasing it. Leave it aside for a couple of minutes for it to cool. Now, after about an hour, the dough is ready and the filling is also cold. You may have to keep dusting your hands as the dough is very soft and sticky to work with. Knead the dough once again. Now, take a lemon-sized ball of the dough and make it as shown. The center is thicker as compared to the edges of the dough. Now, take the puran or the filling and make a lemon-sized ball and place it at the center of the dough and cover it as shown. There are different ways to make this. I'm showing you the way I make it. Now press it in between your palm and dust the board and the dough with some dry flour. Now with the rolling pin, start rolling the poli. I like to use a textured rolling pin. You can use a plain one too. Keep rolling it gently. You can dust the floor if required and make a roundel to nearly 5 mm thickness and place it on the hot tawa. Let it get cooked for a few seconds on one side. Once you see the bubbles at the top, add few drops of ghee or clarified butter to it and gently flip it over to the other side. Let it cook for a few seconds and then flip it over and check. Wow, it's ready. I'll make one more. It can be served hot with adding a little ghee on top of it or served cold. In both the ways, it tastes yummy. However, I can't wait to eat it. In Maharashtra, it is served with Katachi Amti. Few people also prefer to have it with warm milk. I prefer to have it with lemon pickle to balance the sweet. Let me know in the comment section what is your way of having Puran Poli. Do give it a try. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. Thanks for watching. Can't wait anymore. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Until then, live, love, relax, keep smiling and enjoy your life. Take care.